Hello, my card making friend. I am so glad that you are here and that we can have some fun crafting together today. So today we are going to be making one of these candle cards. So there's two colour variations. There's this purple and pink and blue one, and also the green and blue one. Now I do have a bit of a cold whilst I'm recording this video, but not going to stop me having fun with you today. So let's go and get crafting. Okay, so what you will need is your card making kit, a glue stick, and also a scrap piece of paper to do your gluing on so you don't damage any tables or anything at home. And also, as we go through, feel free to pause the video so that you can do the crafts more easily, you don't feel rushed, and yeah, just take your time and enjoy. Okay, so first thing is to empty out your pack, and let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to make the green version today, and the instructions are the same for either the green or the purple, but you will have, in your pack, you'll have your card base, an envelope for when you decide to give your card, the things that we're going to stick on the card. So we've got some, a polka dot printed card, a happy birthday sign, 5 candles, and the little candle flames. Okay, so go and grab your card and your glue stick and let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to glue on is our dotty piece of paper, and that one goes right at the top there, along the top edge, along the side edge, and along the left-hand side edge. So grab your glue stick and scrap bit of paper, turn the piece of dotted paper over and put some glue on that all over. So start in the middle and then work your way right to the edges. Lots of nice glue so that it all sticks nicely on our card. Alright, when you've got that, then line it up. The top edge you might need, the little kids might need mum and dad to help line it up. Alright, there we go. So we've got our first piece on. We're going to then do the happy birthday. So similarly, turn that over, pop some glue on. And this goes up the top here, just at the edge where the diagonal meets. And nice press. Okay. And now we're up to our candles. So the candles have a top and a bottom. There's a flat bit at the bottom and a curved bit for the top. So we've got 4 candles for the outside and 1 candle to pop on the inside of the card. So we've got a little bit of decoration on the inside. So just lay your candles out. So these go just at the bottom of the card, and the flat bit lines up with the bottom edge. So just space your candles out how you like them. You might like sort of 2 on the side and another 2 on that side, or however you like. I'm just going to space mine out evenly, but you can get creative. And then start gluing. Alright, so don't forget to pause the video when you need to. I'm going to pause mine now and I'll see you when you've finished your gluing. Okay, so once you've finished your candles for the front, you can put on your little flames. So you can have them all going the one way, or you can have some going the other way. There's a little curve at the top, so just put a little bit of gap maybe between the candle and the flame, or you can sit it on, that's okay. Yeah, maybe sit it on. Whatever you think looks good. Alright, and I'll see you when you've done your gluing. I will just say, when you got small pieces like this, sometimes it's easy, I find it easy just to put it on the top of my glue stick and rub it round, rather than trying to glue it on the paper, because then it's easier to hold it. So try that and see how you go. Alright, I'll see you when you're done. There we go, all my candles are glued. How did you go with yours? Hopefully they look good. And we've got one more candle left over for the inside. So let's open up our card. And you can put it wherever you like, but I thought I might pop mine down in the corner here. So it's a nice little extra feature when the person opens up the card. There's another little surprise inside. So grab your glue again and put your final candle decoration on. Oops. And then the flame. Okay. Your candle birthday card. Hope you had fun doing this with me, and if you did, you can give the video a thumbs up. That would really help my little channel. And parents, I would love your comments as well. You can comment below the video of how you found the craft kit, and if anyone has any ideas for future designs, love to hear about those too, so you can pop those in the comments. All right, hope you had fun with the card, and I hope the person you give it to loves it as well. All right, I'll see you next time.